The Global Positioning System, GPS, originally Navstar GPS, is a satellite-based radio navigation system owned by the United States government and operated by the United States Space Force. It is one of the global navigation satellite systems, GNSS, that provides geolocation and time information to a GPS receiver anywhere on or near the Earth where there is an unobstructed line of sight to 4 or more GPS satellites. Obstacles such as mountains and buildings block the relatively weak GPS signals. The GPS service is provided by the United States government, which can selectively deny access to the system, as happened to the Indian military in 1999 during the Kargil War, or degrade the service at any time. As a result, several countries have developed or are in the process of setting up other global or regional satellite navigation systems. The Russian Global Navigation Satellite System, GLONASS, was developed contemporaneously with GPS, but suffered from incomplete coverage of the globe until the mid-2000s. GLONASS can be added to GPS devices, making more satellites available and enabling positions to be fixed more quickly and accurately, to within 2 meters, 6.6 feet. China's Beidou Navigation Satellite System began global services in 2018, and finished its full deployment in 2020. There is also the European Union Galileo Positioning System, and India's NavIC. Japan's Quasi-Zenith Satellite System, QZSS, is a GPS satellite-based augmentation system to enhance GPS's accuracy in Asia-Oceania, with satellite navigation independent of GPS scheduled for 2023. It is clear that we are facing different, more diverse, and more technologically advanced threats than during the Cold War, particularly given our reliance on GNSS is far greater than it once was. Threats to GNSS security and resilience have made it a single point of failure for critical national infrastructure, and the looming possibility of a large-scale disruption could have dire consequences both militarily and on the civilian population. As such, defense ministers and intelligence analysts in both the UK and US have raised alarm. The economic impact of a GPS outage cannot be overstated. According to a UK Space Agency report, it is estimated that 11.3% of UK GDP is supported directly by GNSS across financial markets, transport, logistics and more. At a conservative estimation, the economic impact of such a disruption to GNSS would cost the UK nearly £2 billion a day. A glitch of just 100,000th of a second can cause huge problems, leaving container ships stranded, shuttering the stock market, leaving ATMs inoperable, and cell phone calls without a reception.